Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw a bird with origami style in Adobe Illustrator. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Click Pen tool and draw triangle. Press eyedropper tool, and click the square to make the triangle have similar style. Continue draw another triangle using pen tool. Remember to deselect the object first before draw the object. And make sure the pen tool snap with the current object or follow the current line. Don't forget to deselect the object first. Send it to the back with Control and left square bracket on Windows or Command and left square bracket on Mac. Use Control and right square bracket on Windows or Command and right square bracket on Mac if you want to send it to the front. Change some of the triangle with different color. Remove line for this triangle. Duplicate the object with Ctrl and C, then Ctrl and F on Windows or Command and C, then Command and F on Mac. We use Ctrl and F to paste it precisely on the top of the current object. As you can see, we have two triangle objects stack each other. Remove the line. Remove the color for the other one. Draw a line. Press plus, add anchor point tool, to add some point. Press Shift and C, anchor point tool, you can select the line segment and press delete. Let's draw a nice effect with paintbrush tool. Press A, direct selection tool, and click the first point, while holding Shift click another end point. With 2 points selected, press Ctrl and J on Windows or Command and D on Mac to join the line. Make it smooth with Smoother tool. Change the color to white and reduce the opacity into 30%. The origami has been done.